A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. And in our tutorial today, we are going to be learning how to warm up your email for free. So to warm up your email, so what is to warm up your email? So the email warm up refers to the practice of sending a gradually increasing number of emails from a new email account with the aim of building a positive reputation with email providers and avoiding filters. So to warm up your email, you'll go to instantly.ai and there's a link to that in the description of this video. It will bring you to this site. Then you'll click on start for free. And then you now want to create an instantly account. So you type your name here. Quickly, we create an account. Then you click on join. You click on join. Then you'll go back to your email and confirm that email. And this will now bring you to the instantly homepage. We now have an account here. So to start using this, you simply come to the top right here and you click on add new. This is where you connect accounts to keep warm and send emails from. You can click down here to add an account to get started. So you click on add new and then you click on Gmail or Office Suite or whatever email you want to use. But in this case, we are going to demonstrate using Gmail. So I'll go back to I'll click on Gmail here. And then you notice on your computer, open up Gmail. And first, let's enable IMAP access for your Google account. So how do we enable IMAP? It's easy. You simply go to your email account. You notice here I'm on my email. You click on the settings at the top here. And then you click on see all settings. And then you at the top here, you click on forwarding and pop IMAP. You click on that. Then on IMAP access here, you click on enable there, and then you scroll down and click on save changes. So now we can add the email. After verifying that, you click on add new Gmail. Then already we have enabled IMAP. So you click on yes, IMAP has been enabled. So the next thing you do is you now require two-factor authentication. And so you click on that app password and then you click on enable two-step verification. Then you enter your password again here, click on next. Then you enter the code that you receive here. Then you click on next and then you click on turn on. Then next you click on create an app password. Then you type the app name here. To create an app specific password, type the name for it below here. So it's called instantly. You click on create. And now it gives you a password here. You copy that password. And then you click on done. So you can save this password somewhere safe. Click on done. And you now notice instantly has been created. So let's go back to instantly. Click on next. And so you connect your Google account here. We put our email there. And then we put the password here. Then you click on connect. And now our email has been connected. You now notice we have an account with instantly. So here you notice we have this symbol like fire. This is where you enable warm up. But then here, when you click on these three dots, you notice we can reconnect or we can remove an account. So we are going to click on this part for warm up, enable warm up. You just click once. So you notice now warming up. Once you enable warm up, this account will start sending and receiving random machine generated emails between other users in instantly to warm up. If you agree, you click on yes and I understand and click on continue. And now you notice it has now turned green. And now you notice at the top it has indicated warm up enabled. That pop-up warm up has been enabled. You can click on pause if you want to stop the warm up. And you can still now add other accounts here. By clicking add new, you can add a new account. And then here, this way you can do the test domain setup. Here you check all domains and records setup. At the top here again, this way you have bulk settings where you set settings for many emails that will be here. And then for the status here, if you click on that, you notice you can view all status. You can view what has been posted. You can view what has errors and warm up active, warm up post, and warm up that has errors in this. So this is basically where you can view all that. On the left hand side here, you can get the lead finder. You can see the email accounts that have been added. You can see the campaigns that you have conducted. Then you can uninbox some of the messages there, and then you can view the analytics. For instance, if we view the analytics here, you notice currently total sent is everything is at 0 in terms of total sent, open rate, click rate, reply rate, and also opportunities, because this is just an email that we have just added now. And if we have any campaigns, they'll add. If we have any published campaigns, they'll come down here. Then here, this way you have the lead management. Down here, this way you can create a list. Down here. So if you click on email accounts, you notice we have our email added to that. So email sent here, you notice it's 0 out of 50. If we click on that, we are now able to access the settings for that. So by clicking on that, then clicking on settings here, you notice the number of emails down here is 50. Daily campaign limit is 50. And because we don't want to use all these ones, we can send this one maybe to around 15 or even 20. So that is the daily campaign limit instead of 50. And then the minimum wait time when used with multiple accounts, we can decide it will be around 2 minutes. And then we can have reply to, we can reset these ones. And then we can change these things, increase per day. We can increase that by 1 per day, so that from 20 to goes to 21, 22. We can also disable slow warm up. We can also do the percentage reply rate here. We can change that from 30 to any other number we want. Maybe you want it to be 20%. And then once we have done that, we can either monitor blacklist, we can enable or disable, where we can alert when blocked, and then we click on save. And once we do that, we'll have done our settings for the warm up, and our account is now good for the warm up. So I hope this has been helpful. So that is how you simply warm up your Gmail account with Instantly. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.